Okay, for today's video, we're going to be checking out a pair of Vans. Now, these particular Vans are the Sk-8. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say that as a word, but I guess the Sk-8 high Gore-Tex insulated shoe. Now, these are the winter editions. I did buy a pair that was like a step below these, and I never got around to doing the video. Those are beautiful. They fit perfectly and I have no complaints. I wear the green ones all the time. The only thing I would say if I was to complain about those, the other ones I'm talking about now, is that the black didn't hold up like I thought it would. That's neither here nor there. Still an excellent pair of shoes. Okay, this is the shoe with all its glory. Bro, these shoes are beautiful. These are some of the most perfect pair of shoes that I've ever seen. Has branding right there. I don't mind it. Normally I'm minimal branding type of person, but man, I love this branding. I like how this is incorporated to seem as if it's coming out of this hole, like the screen. You can literally see it through this little part right here. This is basically this inside of the shoe. I like that. That is a good touch. Then we got the Vans logo right here. I'm not mad at it. I love this. I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but I like that. That's a good touch. We turn it around. I like this. The writing in red. We got Vans off the wall, which is a common marketing thing that they do. Underneath the shoe is always dope. Let's peel this sticker off. Get him up out of here. I know underneath the shoe is going to get dirty, so that's not what this video is about, but I like the fact that they take their time and really, their underneath the shoe game look pretty decent. I mean, these are nice, man. I love the color match. I love the materials. This is the only thing that I see that's waterproof. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This right here seems as if water will soak into that eventually, especially if you're in a hard rain, and water will eventually get through here. I'm not sure how that's blocking anything. This portion right here seems like it'll get wet. The only parts of the shoe that should be waterproof, in my opinion, just looking at the shoe and touching it, is this portion right here. As long as the water doesn't come above this, you should be good. If it comes above that, you're getting wet, period. Even if you get splashed. Okay, let's see how they... Oh, okay. There's a barrier right here. So water would literally have to go through your shoelaces in order to get into your shoe. Oh, okay. So you do have a good chance of water not getting inside of there if you splash. I like that. But realistically, if water splashes here, you're getting your socks wet. But it's a good touch. That is a good touch. Man, what do y'all got? What do you guys think? These are absolutely amazing. And to show you underneath the shoe, so this is the black pair. This isn't the winter edition, but this is a skate high. There we go. That's the Hydro Guard. These are listed as like splash proof, but not waterproof, I don't think. I was supposed to do a video on these. I don't like how that black is holding up. They still look fine to me. I still rock them whenever, you know. Yeah, you could tell these are the more bulkier of the pair. And this is like the black one is a step below this one. Okay, here's the green ones. So this is how it looks after wearing it for a few months. I love these peanut butters, bro. I know I have these now, but bro, that peanut butter is absolutely amazing. And there's underneath that sole right there, that peanut butter. Okay, but anyway, let me know what you guys think about this pair. Hopefully, you know, I gave you enough angles to kind of check them out. These were on sale. I did get them on sale during Cyber Monday or Black Friday, I can't remember, but they took a while to come in, so it may have been Black Friday still. What do you guys think? Would you rock a pair of Vans like this, like some army boots? Actually, once I lace them up and get everything situated, these are gonna look dope. Probably put these on today.